Alright, so while the shallots, onions, and garlic are sauteing in the pan, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I make 2 cups of liquid without just using water. So first, I know that I'm going to be adding a can of diced tomatoes, so I'm going to drain those tomatoes and I'm going to use that water. It's not necessarily a whole lot of liquid, but it's just enough to give some flavor. Then I will add the rest of it almost to the 2 cups, but not quite, because then I'm going to add this chicken broth. Now, there's a couple of different kinds that you can use. This one's from Trader Joe's, and they're little individual packets, or you can buy the actual chicken broth or make your own. And then, of course, there's my favorite, which I don't seem to be able to find right now, but it's actually called Better Than Bouillon. It's delicious, and it has very good flavor, and it will make your 2 cups of liquid right now. There we go. There's our 2 cups. So I'm going to go back over to the quinoa and add this to the quinoa for it to start to opening up. Alright, so before I add the water, if you like a little spice in your quinoa, you can also add a small handful of chopped jalapenos. So I'm going to do that because I like being spicy. Alright, so I just added the jalapenos in with the garlic, shallots, and onions. That smell that's coming from here is just heavenly. So I'm going to go ahead and add the toasted quinoa in with all these wonderful flavors. And in order for the quinoa to open up, I need to have the water, or the liquid actually. And so in this case, like I said, we have added chicken broth and the tomato, a little bit of tomato juice with the water. I'm going to add that in here. And now, just like any other kind of quinoa, you're going to have that put on medium, and you're going to want all the water to evaporate. And again, if you use hot water, you'll get better results with the quinoa. Alright, so I'm going to get a lid, and then we'll let that cook up.